Hey, it's Monday Motivation with Dr. Trish Leigh. This week, I invite you to bounce on over to my other YouTube channel at Dr. Trish Leigh, because there I have a general motivational message with strong neuroscientific principles that I'll be delivering every week in the new year. So, of course, on this channel, it's really important that we leave our habits behind, the ones that are not serving you and are hijacking your brain and creating chaos in your world, even though you may not even know it is coming for you. But I would love for you to go over to my other channel where I can give you messages of hope and I can give you principles built on neuroscience for your entire life. My goal for you is that you leave this channel and no longer need it. And when you're done with this channel, you can join me forever on the other one. So please join me over there, and I have a message for you of motivation for a new year and a new brain. So I hope you can have the best year ever coming up and leave this habit behind you, and let's forge forward into the unknown of your full potential. And as always, remember, control your brain or it'll control you.